Now you want to put in the top cord, the thinner cord, which is a number 3 gauge or even 3.5 gauge lawnmower rope starter cord. And this is the cord that's going to be real loose to make room for all of the bars. So let me start threading this the same way, and so you can see that there are actually 2 cords going through every single one of these eye holes. And we run this on through, and then we do the same thing as we did with the lower cord, and there's another hole there waiting. And so I like to take this on the inside this time and pull it out, so that then I don't have to use two different lengths. I can just continue this same length onto the other side of the instrument. And so now I'll take this down to complete the other side, and then we'll see how to tie off the knots on the low end of the instrument to hold this in place. And make sure that the cord doesn't get snagged on something. And you're going to have a lot of this cord available to you to make sure that it's long enough and that you don't run out. Okay, so now let me go ahead and with this on this side, I'm going to take this, instead of coming on the outside, I'm going to go on the inside of the hole and pull it outward. And now I'm going to make me a little loop. And so you double that back, and then you tie a granny knot. Just a simple, most basic knot, and you've got yourself a little loop. Okay? Now that loop is going to accept the other end, the loose end, at some point, and we're going to be able to tie off the whole system. But before we do that, let's pull that taut, and I'm going to bring this all the way around, and then I'm going to put on my bars. So I'll go ahead and put my bars on and show you the rest of it.